With the invocation mantras, close your eyes, adopt Chin Mudra. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om Ganana Antva Ganapati Gum Havamahe Kavim Kavinamupamashravastamam ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पत आनशृण्वन्नो तिभिः सीदसादनम् महागणपतये नमः। प्रणो देवी सरस्वती वाजेभिर्वाजिनीवती धीनामवित्र्यवतु आनो दिवो बृहतः पर्वतादा सरस्वती यजता गन्तु यज्ञम् हवन् देवी जुजुषाणा घृताचीषद्मान्नो वाचमुशती शृणोतु वाग्देव्यै नमः। ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। Gently brush your palms. Place them on your eyes. Give gentle massage all over your face, and with few blinks, slowly open your eyes. Okay, so we'll start from verse 141. Repeat after me twice. Chikkalananda Kalika. Sorry, the tune got hit. Chitkalananda Kalika. Chitkalananda Kalika. प्रेम रूपा प्रियंकरी. प्रेम रूपा प्रियंकरी. चित्कलानंद कलिका. प्रेम रूपा प्रियंकरी. नाम पारायण प्रीता. नाम पारायण प्रीता. नंदी विद्या नटेश्वरी. नंदी विद्या नटेश्वरी. होल वर्स. चित्कलानंद कलिका. प्रेम रूपा प्रियंकरी. नाम पारायण प्रीता. नंदी विद्या नटेश्वरी. The next one. मिथ्या जगदधिष्ठाना. मिथ्या जगधिष्ठाना. One more time. मिथ्या जगदधिष्ठाना. मुक्तिदा मुक्तिरूपिणी. मुक्तिदा मुक्तिरूपिणी. लास्य प्रियालयकरी. लास्य प्रियालयकरी. लज्जारंभादिवंदिता. लज्जारंभादिवंदिता. मिथ्या जगदधिष्ठाना. मुक्तिदा मुक्तिरूपिणी. मिथ्या जगदधिष्ठाना. मुक्तिदा मुक्तिरूपिणी. लास्य प्रियालयकरी. लज्जारंभादिवंदिता. लास्य प्रियालयकरी लज्जारंभादिवंदिता. So few points to remember in this verse. Mithya, ha is a Mahaprana sound, while the and the Alpa Prana followed by Mahaprana sound. Jagadadhisthana, even th is a Mahaprana sound. So whenever you pronounce these syllables, feel the force in your chest area. Jagadadhisthana. Then Lasya Priya. So whenever the pra sound comes in Sanskrit, it's a pressing effect while pronouncing the pressing effect before pronouncing the pra sound. Lasya Priya. So your lips are literally pressed against each other. Lasya Priya Layakari Lajja Rambhadivandita. Even bha sound is a Mahaprana sound. Rambha. Whole verse, we'll chant it together. Mithya jagadadhisthana muktida muktirupini lasya priyalayakari lajja rambhadivandita. Next one. Bhavadavasudha vrishti Bhavadavasudha vrishti Paparanyadavanala Paparanyadavanala Bhavadavasudha vrishti Paparanyadavanala Daurbhagyatul Daurbhagyatula Jaradhvantara Viprabha Jaradhvantara Viprabha. Pressing effect Ravi Prabha. Similarly, Bhava, Bha is Mahaprana, Sudha, Mahaprana, Vrishti, Ta is Alpa Prana sound. Here, before Bhagya, Ra sound will come. Daurbhagya, Daurbhagya, and then Tula, Vatula. Both are Dirgha vowels, long vowels. Tula, Vatula. Whole verse. Bhavadavasudha vrishti Paparanyadavanala Daurbhagyatula Jaradhvantara Viprabha. Okay, and this is the au sound, dau. It's not do, but it is daurbhagya. Yes. Next one. Bhagyabdhichandrika bhakta Bhagyabdhichandrika bhakta Chitta ki ghana ghana Chitta ki ghana ghana Bhagyabdhichandrika bhakta Chitta ki ghana ghana. So here Bhagyabhi is Raswa, Chandrika Raswa, Chitta and Keki, ki. So all are Raswa sounds, short vowels. So take them quickly. Roga Parvata Dambholir, half sound of R. Roga Parvata Dambholir, Mrityu Daru Kotharika. Mrityu Daru Kotharika. Even Tha here is Mahaprana. Ru, Mrityu, Ri are all short vowels, Rasva sounds. Roga Parvata Dambholir, Mrityu Daru Kotharika. This Li is hraswa. Ku is hraswa. Whole verse. भाग्याब्धि चंद्रिका भक्त चित्त केकि घना घना रोग पर्वत दंभोलिर मृत्यु दारु कुठारिका. Next one. Maheshwari Mahakali. Now both are dirgha, long vowels. Ri, Mahakali. Maheshwari Mahakali. Mahagrasa Mahashana. Mahagrasa Mahashana. Maheshwari Mahakali. Mahagrasa Mahashana. Aparna Chandika Chanda. So R sound before na. Aparna. And na is a bit nasalized sound. It is not aparna, but it is aparna. Chandika. All n sound, nasalized sounds in this sentence. Aparna, Chandika, Chanda, Munda, nasalized. It should come from both mouth and nose. Aparna, Chandika, Chanda, Munda, Surani, Shudini. So only shu here is dirgha. Munda, Surani, Shudini. Aparna, Chandika, Chanda. Mandasura Nishudini. So with dot underneath, it is a retroflex sh. It's not Nishudini, but Nishudini. Maheshwari Mahakali. Mahagrasa Mahashana. Aparna Chandika Chanda. Mundasura Nishudini. Next one. Ksharatmika Sarva. Ksharatmika Sarva. Lokeshi Vishwadharini. Lokeshi Vishwadharini. So here she is long vowel. Ni is long vowel. Vishwadhari is hraswa. Ksharatmika sarva. Lokeshi Vishwadharini. Trivargadatri subhaga. Trivargadatri subhaga. Triambaka Trigunatmika. Triambaka Trigunatmika. Ksharatmika Sarva. Lokeshi Vishwadharini. Trivargadatri subhaga. Triambaka Trigunatmika. The next one. Swarga pavargada shuddha. Swarga pavargada shuddha. Japa pushpa nibha kritihi. Japa pushpa nibha kritihi. Japa pushpa. Retroflex sh. Nibha kritihi. T is raswa. Swarga pavargada shuddha. Japa pushpa nibha kritihi. Ojovati dyutidhara. Ojovati dyutidhara. Yajna rupa priyavrata. यज्ञ रूपा प्रियव्रता ओजोवती द्युतिधरा यज्ञ रूपा प्रियव्रता. Again vrata, so that holding effect will come. Priyavrata. V and R are conjunct sounds. Before any conjunct sound, there will be a holding effect or pressing effect. स्वर्गापवर्गदा शुद्धा जपा पुष्पनिभाकृतिः ओजोवती द्युतिधरा यज्ञरूपा प्रियव्रता. Next one. दुराराध्या दुराधर्षा दुराराध्या दुराधर्षा. We have to be very particular about pronunciation. So the and the, alpa and mahaprana are sounds coming one after the other, and the retroflex sh. Duraradhya duradharsha patali kusuma priya. Pressing effect. Patali kusuma priya. दुराराध्या दुराधर्षा पाटली कुसुम प्रिया महती मेरुनिलया महती मेरुनिलया मंदार कुसुम प्रिया मंदार कुसुम प्रिया दुराराध्या दुराधर्षा पाटली कुसुम प्रिया महती मेरुनिलया मंदार कुसुम प्रिया. Next one. वीराराध्या विराड्रूपा. Veera, so V is actually long. So Veera Radhya V, and the next V is short. Viradrupa, while this Drupa is Dirgha. D with R and the long vowel. Veera Radhya Viradrupa. Veeraradhya Viradrupa. So all are Dirgha sounds. Only V is Raswa here. This V is Raswa. Viraja Vishwato Mukhi. Viraja Vishwato Mukhi. Veeraradhya Viradrupa Viraja Vishwato Mukhi Pratyagrupa Parakasha. Again, gru is a holding sound. Pratyagrupa Parakasha Pranada Pranarupini. Pranada Pranarupini. Ru is also long. Pratyagrupa Parakasha. Pranada Pranarupini. Veeraradhya Viradrupa. Viraja Vishwato Mukhi Pratyagrupa Parakasha Pranada Pranarupini. Next one. Martanda Bhairavaradhya. So R sound before ta. Martanda Bhairavaradhya Mantrininyasta मंत्रिणी न्यस्त, मंत्रिणी न्यस्तराजधूः, दीर्घ साउंड विथ अ विसर्गा एंडिंग. मार्तांड भैरवाराध्या, मंत्रिणी न्यस्तराजधूः, त्रिपुरेशि जयत्सेना, त्रिपुरेशी जयत्सेना, निस्त्रैगुण्या परापरा, निस्त्रैगुण्या परापरा, त्रिपुरेशी जयत्सेना, निस्त्रैगुण्या परापरा. Whole verse. मार्तांड भैरवाराध्या, मंत्रिणी न्यस्तराजधूः, त्रिपुरेशी जयत्सेना, निस्त्रैगुण्या परापरा. Okay. So here she is dirgha. Tripureshi Jayatsena. Ta and sa. Cha sound. And the next one. Satyajnananandarupa. Satyajnananandarupa. Samarasya parayana. सामरस्य परायणा, सत्यज्ञानानन्दरूपा, सामरस्य परायणा, कपर्दिनी कलामाला, कपर्दिनी कलामाला, कामधुक् कामरूपिणी. The ka is half here. Kamadhuk kamarupini, kapardini kalamala, kamadhuk kamarupini, satyajnananandarupa, samarasya parayana, कपर्दिनी कलामाला, कामधुक् कामरूपिणी. Satyajnana, even jna, before pronouncing jna, there is a holding effect. Satyajnana nandarupa. Ru is both here. Here ru and here. Both ru are dirgha. Next one. Now here kala nidhihi. The visarga is getting followed by ka sound. So visarga sound will change from ha to ka. Kala nidhik kavya kala. Kala nidhik ka sound of visarga. Kala nidhik kavya kala. Rasajna rasashevadhihi. Dhi is short. रसज्ञा रसशेवधिः, कलानिधिः काव्यकला, रसज्ञा रसशेवधिः, पुष्टा पुरातना पूज्या, पुष्टा पुरातना पूज्या, पुष्करा पुष्करेक्षणा. All are retroflex sh. S with the dot underneath. पुष्करा पुष्करेक्षणा, पुष्टा पुरातना पूज्या. And j with ya sound. पूज्या. पुष्करा पुष्करेक्षणा, कलानिधिः काव्यकला, रसज्ञा रसशेवधिः पुष्टा पुरातना पूज्या पुष्करा पुष्करेक्षणा क्ष न all peculiar sounds in Sanskrit. Pushkarekshana. Now here param, this anuswara is getting followed by j sound, so it will change it to n. Ma will change to n. Paran jyoti, not param jyoti. Paran jyotif parandham. So visarga sound will change it to f, as the next sound is p. And here also parandham, n sound of anuswara. Again here visarga sound will become f. Paramanu, paratpara. F sound both places. And both anuswara will have n sound. Paranjyotif parandhama. Paranjyotif parandhama. Paramanuh paratpara. Paramanuh paratpara. Paranjyotif parandhama. Paramanuh paratpara. Pashahasta pashahantri. Pashahasta pashahantri. Paramantra vibhedini. Paramantra vibhedini. Pashahasta pashahantri. Paramantra vibhedini. Paranjyotif parandhama. Paramanuh paratpara. Pashahasta pashahantri. Paramantra vibhedini. Next one. Now murta. Mu is dirgha and ra sound before ta. Murta, murta, amurta. Actually, the avagraha, this this sign is the but instead of writing it is avagraha sound. So we will elongate a little more. Murta, murta, nityatrupta. Murta, murta, nityatrupta. Muni manasa hamsika. Here anuswara sound will remain m. Hamsika. Muni manasa hamsika. Murta, murta, nityatrupta. Muni manasa hamsika. Again the holding effect. Satyavrata satyarupa. Satyavrata satyarupa. Sarvantaryamini sati. Sarvantaryamini sati. R sound before yamini. Sarvanta, sarvantar yamini sati. Satyavrata satyarupa. Sarvantaryamini sati. Whole verse. Murta, murta, nityatrupta. Muni manasa hamsika. Satyavrata satyarupa. Sarvantaryamini sati. So in next verse, 155, the first line all starting with B sound and the next line all starting with pr sound. So you will see now this kind of repetition here. V sound is repeating in the second line. So Brahmani Brahma Janani, Brahmani Brahma Janani, Bahurupa Budharchita, Bahurupa Budharchita, Brahmani Brahma Janani, Bahurupa Budharchita. R sound before Chita. Prasavitri Prachandadnya. Again, you have to elongate this. Prachandadnya. Avagraha sounds there. Prasavitri Prachandadnya. Pratishtha Prakatakritihi. Pratishtha Prakatakritihi. Prasavitri Prachandadnya. Pratishtha Prakatakritihi. Whole verse. Brahmani Brahma Janani, Bahurupa Budharchita, Prasavitri Prachandadnya, Pratishtha Prakatakritihi. So this tha is Mahaprana, while this ta is Alpaprana. Pratishtha Prakata. Next one. Praneshwari Pranadatri, Praneshwari Pranadatri, Panchashat Pitharupini. This tha is Mahaprana sound. Panchashat Pitharupini. Praneshwari Pranadatri, Panchashat Pitharupini. Vrishunkhala Viviktastha, Vishrunkhala. Sh and R sound together. Vishrunkhala. And K is Mahaprana sound here. Shrung, the nasalized sound, because there is a anuswara, but instead of that, sorry, it's not anuswara, but the ng and kh sound are joined together. Vishrunkhala. So nasalized sound of ng and kh coming together. Vishrunkhala. Viviktastha. So ka and ta coming together, then sa and tha coming together. Vishrunkhala Viviktastha, Veeramata Viyat Prasuhu, Veeramata Viyat Prasuhu, Vishrunkhala Vishrunkhala Viviktastha, Veeramata Viyat Prasuhu. Whole verse. Praneshwari Pranadatri, Panchashat Pitharupini, Vishrunkhala Viviktastha, Veeramata Viyat Prasuhu. And the next one. Mukunda Mukti Nilaya, Mukunda Mukti Nilaya, Moola मूलविग्रहरूपिणी मुकुन्दा मुक्तिनिलया मूलविग्रहरूपिणी भावज्ञा भवरोगघ्नी. So here gha sound is mahaprana, ga is alpa prana, roga ghni, and this gha is joined with na. Bhavadnya bhava rogagni. Okay. Bhavadnya bhava rogagni भवचक्र प्रवर्तिनी भवचक्र प्रवर्तिनी भावज्ञा भवरोगघ्नी भवचक्र प्रवर्तिनी. Whole verse. मुकुन्दा मुक्तिनिलया मूलविग्रहरूपिणी भावज्ञा भवरोगघ्नी भवचक्रप्रवर्तिनी. Now here the first sound itself is Mahaprana sound, cha. And then there is a visarga, chandah sara. So that visarga ha will change it to sa because the next word is sara. Chandasara shastrasara. Chandasara shastrasara. Mantrasara talodari. Mantrasara talodari. Chandasara shastrasara. Mantrasara talodari. Udarakirtir uddama. Udarakirtir uddama. This ra, because after ra there is no a, so that has to be taken as half ra. Udara kirtir uddam, and this the is doubled. Udara kirtir uddam vaibhava varna rupini. Vaibhava varna rupini. Udarakirtir uddama vaibhava varna rupini. Whole verse. Chandasara shastrasara mantrasara talodari. Udarakirtir uddama vaibhava varna rupini. Next, janma mrityu jara tapta. Janma mrityu jara tapta. Jana vishranti daini. Jana vishranti daini. Janma mrityu jara tapta. Jana vishranti daini. Sarvopanishadudghushta. Again this sh, you have to take it quickly because dudghushta. Sarvopanishadudghushta, and this the is half. Dud. Sarvopanishadudghushta. Mahaprana sound, gha, ghush, du. The is alpa prana, gha is mahaprana, and retroflex, shta. सर्वोपनिषदुद्घुष्टा शान्त्यतीतकलात्मिका. Na, ta, and ya are joined together. Three sounds. Shantya. Shantya. शान्त्यतीतकलात्मिका सर्वोपनिषदुद्घुष्टा शान्त्यतीतकलात्मिका जन्म मृत्युजरा तप्त जनविश्रान्तिदायिनी सर्वोपनिषदुद्घुष्टा शान्त्यतीतकलात्मिका. And the last one. Gambhira gaganantastha. Th is Mahaprana. Gambhira. Ma is Alpaprana. Bha is Mahaprana. Both are joined together. Gambhira gaganantastha. Garvita ganalolupa. Garvita ganalolupa. Gambhira gaganantastha. Garvita ganalolupa. Kalpanarahita kashtha. Tha is Mahaprana. Kalpanarahita kashtha. Kanta Kantardha Vigraha. Kanta Kantardha Vigraha. Kalpanarahita kashtha. Kanta Kantardha Vigraha. Whole verse. Gambhira gaganantastha. Garvita ganalolupa. Kalpanarahita kashtha. Kanta Kantardha Vigraha. R sound before dha. Kantardha and Vigraha. The holding effect. Vigraha. Kantardha Vigraha. Okay. So here on from 161 to 182 we will do next month, and that's how we will finish the whole of Lalita Sahasranama. So what's the next date? So it will be 9th of November. Is that okay?
Yes, I think the 9th looks okay. 9th.
Or do you want to keep it on 16th?
No,
Which one is
let's aim for the 9th if that's okay.
okay?
It's fine.
That's fine.
And by then, of course, the clocks would have gone
Oh,
backwards.
yeah.
And it will be 7 o'clock for me, I think.
Yes, it won't be as early for you, Penny.
No, 6 is 6. This started today, so it will be 7.
It will be 7, that's right. It won't be so early for you. You can have an hour's
That's good.
extra sleep.
I could get an
That's
extra hour.
That's good. I really appreciate that you come early in the morning.
I really Dolores said she couldn't come. She was in a convention, so she really missed coming.
Okay, no worries. So next month we'll finish with it, and then let's see from the next year what we are going to take up.
Well, thank you so much again for all
Yeah.
your hard work and input, Ketki. Thank you.
Thank you so much. With the invocation, with the Shanti mantra, we'll end the session.
Yes.
So close your eyes. Om Purnamidah sorry. Om Purnamadam I'm getting confused here. I'm so sorry.
Purnat Purnamudachyate.
Yeah. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. So thank you so much, and I will see you next month.
Thanks again.
Then,
Keki. Bye.
well,
Pratna.